Hello everyone, I'm Shelja. Today we'll start with the mailing tab. This is a mailing tab. Okay, here are the options available under the mailing tab. Okay, for example, you wanted to send same letter to the multiple people, then we use this option. Let's do it so that you can understand it clearly. So to start with this, first of all, we need to start with this option, select recipient option. We have two options here. First is type a new list. Second is use an existing list. For example, if you have already created a list, you will go with this use existing list. If you are going to create a list for first time, then you will start with this option. Okay. So here you can see there are number of like options available with us. Like you can add title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, 2, etc. etc. So these many options are there. If you wanted to have these many entries, these many labels for the entries, then you can start filling the entries. Otherwise, if you wanted to change these labels, you don't want all such labels in your document. So what you can do is you can click here customize columns. For example, you don't want title to be there, you can select the title and you can click on delete. After this, if you don't want company name to be there, you can delete that. Same if you don't want email address to be there, we don't want work phone, we don't want country region, we don't want zip code, we don't want state. For example, we don't want this also. Now I wanted to rename this one, so I'll select it and click on rename. For example, I want only address portion to be here, and for example, I wanted to rename the home phone as the mobile phone, so I'll select it, click on rename, and here I will add the mobile number. So same way, if you wanted to add any another field, you can simply select on that particular field, click on add. For example, you wanted to add father's name. Okay, so you can add it. For example, you don't want this field, you can click on delete again. Fine. So after this, what you will you'll press OK. Now you need to fill the entries. For example, first name I'm entering is Ashvi. Then last name is Kapil. Address I'm entering is Bahadurgarh. And mobile number, you can enter anything. For example, next name you wanted to enter is Prachi. Okay, address, for example, is the same. Okay, so after that you will enter the phone number. Fine. If you wanted to add more entries, you can add number of entries here. We'll start with the 2 entries only, then we'll click on OK. When you click on OK, it will ask for the location where you wanted to save the file with which name. Okay, here I am giving the name as student1 to the file which has my all the entry detail. Fine. After this you were supposed to create your letter, means you are supposed to write the letter whatever you wanted to send. For example, you wanted to send this letter. For example, I have written this letter. Okay, this letter I wanted to send, so I have created this letter. Here what you can do now, here you can insert merge fields. You can insert, you can merge your fields now with your document. How you can do it? You need to click on insert merge field. First of all, you have added first name, then put space, then insert last name, then press enter. Then from here you can click on address. You can add address to your document. After this you can add city to your document. After this, if you wanted to add a mobile number here, you can add it. Okay. After this, if you wanted to add greeting line into your document, you can also add it. What is greeting line? You need to, for this, you need to click on greeting line option. When you click here, okay, you can see what will be shown here, like dear Ashvi couple. This will be shown here, like these are the option how you wanted to show it. If you don't want, if you wanted to show it like this, you can change your format from here. Fine. So likewise, the way in which you wanted to show the things, you can choose that particular format. Okay. After this, you can click on OK. Greeting line has been added into your document. Now, if you wanted to add envelope into with your letter, then you can also add it. For example, generally we put these fields on the envelope only, note on the letter. If you wanted to have the name, address, city and mobile number on both the pages, like on the envelope as well as on the letter, then you can have both the things. Otherwise, I am going to cut it from here. Okay, and I'll click on envelopes. Fine. When you click on envelopes you need to, one dialog box will be shown over there. Okay, here you are supposed to paste those fields which I have been copied from here. Okay, all those merged fields, I'm going to paste all those fields here. Okay, let me do it again. I'm going to cut these fields from here and going to click on envelopes. Here you will paste these fields under the delivery address, and the return address will be your address, who is sending this letter. Okay, the return address will be same on all of the letters. After this, you will click on add to document. Okay, you can see one envelope has been added to your document. Let me put some page color to this so that it could be visible to you clearly. Okay, let me give it a little kind of page color. Now things are quite clear. This is my envelope, this is my letter. Okay, now it would be more clear to you. Fine. Now what we are doing is, I'll click on mailing tab. Now if you wanted to check is it done properly, then you can click here, preview results. You can preview the detail here. This is the second record. Okay, this is the second record. This how it will look like, how your letter will look like. It will show. If you wanted to do formatting of this, you can do. Like if you wanted to increase the font size, you can increase the font size. Okay, you wanted to make it bold. If you wanted to give it any kind of color, you can color it. If you wanted to change on the formatting, you can also change the formatting and many other things. Fine. For example, this format I want. Fine. Now, if you wanted to check the previous record, you can also check that. Okay, this is the record 1, this is the record 2. Okay, if you have created a 100 students list, if you wanted to check a random number, you can click here and you can find the entry. You can write any name of the person. You can click on find. Okay, you can select here field, find next. If the name is available in this list, it will show you. Okay, the name is displayed on the list, so that's why it is visible to us. Okay, after this, if you wanted to complete this process, like if you think everything is fine now, you wanted to complete this process, what you will do is you will click here, finish and merge. After this, you will click here, edit individual document. You will select here all and click OK. It will create letters and envelopes for the number of list which you have been added into your document. It will create the letter and document for all such people. Fine. This way you can use mailing. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.